What's up, YouTube? Today I got another haircut tutorial for you guys. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. The first thing you want to do when starting off this haircut is combing out the hair. You want to make sure everything is nice and laid out. Right here I got my 1.5 guard and it's always closed, and I'm taking down that hair. Next, I got my lever closed with no guard, and I'm sitting in my first guideline. With the lever in the same position, you want to remove all the hair that's underneath that first guideline. With your trimmer, you want to remove all stubble that's underneath that first guideline, not touching that top guideline. Doing so will create a harsh line that will be hard to get out. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you give it a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. Now I got the 1.5 guard all the way closed, and I'm going against the grain, taking down that hair that's underneath the braid. Next, I got my 1 guard all the way closed, and I'm starting my second guideline, going up about 1 inch. Now I got my lever open with no guard, and I'm going up halfway between that bottom line and that line I just created. Right here, I close my lever all the way, and I'm knocking that bottom line up half the size it is right now. At this point, you should have 3 guidelines. I'm just knocking that bottom guideline up halfway. Right here, I open my lever halfway, and I'm erasing that bottom line without passing that line directly above it. So we're not going to touch or pass this line with the lever halfway. So right here I got my half guard and it's halfway, and I'm blending out that bottom line without passing that line directly above it. So in this clip right here, you can see the line that you're blending and the line that you're not passing. As y'all can see in this clip, that fade is slowly coming together. Right here, I got my 1 guard all the way open, and this will be the last guard that I'll be using to blend out this last line. And I'm being very careful not to cut that bump on back of his head. Right here, I'm just detailing with that half guard. Right here, I'm taking down the front hairline with the 1 guard all the way closed, getting ready for the lineup. Right here, I'm gonna apply some holder spray and I'm gonna brush it in until it's all dried up.